Chapter number 1, important chapter, probability, in which last time we have covered the important definitions on probability and real formula. Today we take the classical approach or the mathematical approach of the probability and the statistical approach of the probability. We first take the mathematical definition or the classical definition on probability. Suppose there are total n outcomes, random experiment, there are total n outcomes in the finite sample space of a random experiment which are mutually exclusive, exhaustive and equally probable. Which are mutually exclusive, exhaustive and equally probable. These outcomes are ME means mutually exclusive, exhaustive and equally probable, equiprobable. And moreover, if n outcomes of among them, small n outcomes among them, is out of n outcomes out of them are favorable for an event A, then the probability of happening of event A is m upon n. It is denoted by P of A, probability of happening of A, means it is given by P of A equal to favorable number of outcomes of A upon total number of outcomes, means equal to m upon n. There are two definitions of probability, mathematical approach and the statistical approach. This is the mathematical approach or the classical approach, or the definition on probability most probably we use. In practical example, numerical example, also this definition is useful. Suppose there are total n number of outcomes, and out of n outcomes, n number of outcomes are in favor of happening of A, then probability of A is given by m upon n, favorable outcomes upon total outcomes. This is simplest definition meaning, right? But in case it is asked, then you have to write properly this way. Each and every word, each and every letter, each and every notations is important in this definition, because generally this definition asks for 2 marks. Section A, B or C, A and B 1 mark, section C 2 marks. If it is asked for 2 marks or 1 marks, then it is important. For 1 mark is also one of the important for us. Now what is statistical approach? Statistical approach or statistical definition of probability. Suppose a random experiment is repeated n times. Random experiment is repeated n number of times, n is finite under the identical condition, and if an event A occurs m trials, event A occurs in small m number of the trials, out of n trials, then the relative frequency, what is the relative frequency, m upon n, of event A gives the estimate of the probability of an event A, that is P of A. When the larger and larger value of n, means as the total trial is increased, means larger and larger is taken, that is when n tends to infinity, means n is very large, then the limiting value of m upon n, then the limiting value of m upon n is called the probability of an event A. Symbolically, it is given by, in usual notation, it is given by, statistical approach of the probability is given by P of A equal to limit n tends to infinity m upon n, limit n tends to infinity m upon n. And what is the conditional probability? See the definition given in textbook. These are the only formula. Probability of B given n, probability of B given n equal to probability of A intersection B upon probability of A, provided probability of A not equal to 0. Similarly, probability of happening of A given that B has already occurred. Conditional probability, if probability of A is known, if probability of A is given, then probability of occurring of B. If probability of B is given, if probability of B is known, then the probability of happening of the event A is given by probability of A given B equal to probability of intersection B upon probability of B, provided probability of B different from 0. These are the important definitions from the last two lectures, and this is the third one. We have taken the important part of the definition, probability theory. This is statistics part 2 in chapter number 1. Statistics part 2, chapter 1, probability, one of the important chapter, right? And we have covered all the important definitions. Thank you everybody. Thank you very much. Okay, see you.